Right now, I am going to show you how to clean your car seats with the Shark Stain Striker Portable Carpet Cleaner. Before we get started, let's go ahead and take a look here at the seats beforehand. See, they're pretty dirty, lots of spots and spills there. Now, just like cleaning anything else, like cleaning carpet, you're going to spray down the fabric of the car seats here. Then with the bristles or the head of the cleaning tool, you will scrub it. See the kind of bubbles there? It's kind of foaming up a little bit as I'm scrubbing the car seats. Then you're going to go back over it and you're going to extract the liquid and hopefully the dirt, dust, and debris along with it. And this is a great thing. I love to do it on my car seats. I do it every couple of months. It's just a fact of life. Things get dirty. And one thing I really like is how good the cleaner smells. So the cleaning solution that you get with the Shark Stain Striker, it just smells amazing, and it's a great way to refreshen up my car after a couple months when everything is getting kind of gross. Simple process. You're going to spray, scrub, and extract, and just do that on all of the fabric that you want to clean. Now, of course, you do want to check and make sure that the fabric can be spot cleaned like this. I absolutely love to do this in my car, and it always leaves me feeling nice and fresh. Now we can check out the dirty water here. Now, one thing of note is that it does not extract as much water from car seats and other fabrics as it does your carpet. So just keep that in mind, that your dirty water tank might not have as much liquid. Now we can take a look at the car seats here beforehand and afterwards as well, and it's just something I really love to do. I hope that was helpful. If you want a complete tutorial on how to use the Shark Stain Striker Portable Carpet Cleaner, check out this video next. If you like carpet cleaners and house cleaning and things like that, feel free to check out some other videos on my channel. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.